AGBA stock analysis tomorrow. Where is it going next? I'm showing you my price predictions in 1 minute video, so watch it till the end. AGBA Group Holding Limited is sitting at 334. The price is up like 7%, which is super good. And I myself am super bullish. To give you context even more, I'm using my strategy and system that has previously given me my rules in 2000, 2023. It has given me thousands of wins. But again, it's a process of 4 years. That was only last year, so it takes time. So, because I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentors myself and documented my journey, the only way that I would buy here, because again, this discretion, that's something that like what to do at a certain point because of experience. Only when the price comes down and then gives me the rules is when I'm trying to be bullish again. If it goes up without me, you might think, oh, I'm going to FOMO in. No, I'm not going to do anything. I can just let it be, because I'm going to have different opportunities that are going to present themselves without me actually forcing anything. So, for a 100% free course, check the first link in the description.